Okay, hello, hi, this is Ryan Ahmed with you, and this video I'm gonna explain to you the YouTube add times string generator. It's on my website, superlinux.net. You can just click here add for the YouTube add times string generator. The purpose of this or the goal of this script, it's just only an HTML JavaScript, is to generate this string in red. Okay, it's actually what you use in your YouTube studio to edit the advertisement times. Okay, so if you, for example, go to your YouTube channel and let's select some long video like this one. Okay, this is an hour long video. See, it's 1 hour long. So if you have something as long or something like it's more than 10 minutes long, you can go to the monetization and you can just edit this. So this is a good example. This has no monetization in it. So what I can do is I can click here also after the video. I need it. Okay, let's save it too. Now what you will do is that you can insert those placeholders like here and here. Let's say, for example, this in the first second I can insert add, another add over here. Okay, another add somewhere in here. Okay, anytime I want. So and if I edit the add breaks, you'll get the numbers that the times, those numbers are the times that are here. Okay, so when you edit them, you can find them. Or I can just simply like this and edit ads, and they will be deleted. Okay. Now this string that that we saw over here is the same type of string that you see on my website, superlinux.net. Okay. And you just do the following, which is you type the number, the hours. So it's like this. If there are minutes, like you can just add them. It's nothing important. The seconds are just like negligible. Okay, and I can put the how many minutes between each advertisement should happen. So I'm gonna put it at like each 15 because it's 1 hour long. So, or maybe as 10. Let's say 10. So I'm gonna go like this, generate string. I'll give you this one, and I'll go copy this line. Okay, and just go to the advertisement, in the monetization section over here, and paste. Okay, and when I insert ads, okay, this is now empty. That has no what do you call them, marks, if you want to say. Okay, so I'm gonna paste them, and I can insert ads, and you can see them every 10 minutes. There is an advertisement. Okay, now what I'd love to do more is that I can put something like at the 002. Okay, at the second of the video, I just simply add one. Okay, and I can add as much as I want after the second video, second. Okay, and I'll save it. Okay, and that's it. So this is our program. Now how it's done as a code, this is where I wanna explain. So this is the application. Okay, so here we got the title, something like similar titles over here in the windows. Okay, of your in your window managers. Okay, and then here this one, the H one, is just where is just this one. Okay, and then we've got the video length, minutes, hours, and I have those two. Let's go back. Those two inputs here, those two fields of writing, where the number 1 and the number 3 are. Okay, so we got, this is the input, and I made it like of size 3 numbers at most. this is the number of hours. Okay, I use the ID here just to grab the value that's inside the field, the type value. I mean something like the values that are written here inside, like whatever 1, 10, 20, whatever hours. Okay, and also here I have the number ID minutes. Okay, so this is the minutes. So just to refer to the values, I use the get element by ID. Here's the script. Okay, but I don't want to like jump quickly to the script of the JavaScript, but I'm just telling you about them. And this is how many minutes between each advertisement and the other and the second. Okay, so as we noticed, okay, see there's a comma here, okay, between each one and the other, and we see the format I'm using is incomplete full hour second hour minute second. Okay, the complete full hour minute second. Okay, format. So in this full format, okay, because later YouTube will trim all those zeros. Like for example, you see here there's an additional 0 for the hours. Okay, if I copy it and like let me show you. Okay, see if I edit it, see, I'm gonna paste mine. See, there are the zeros. If I edit ads, click the edit add breaks again, you'll see all the additional zeros are gone. Okay, I'll put the 0, 0, 0, 2. I'm greedy. Just kidding. Okay, I do it with the lessons, true lessons, not something that's just only for entertainment and visual. Okay, and yeah. So this is the how many minutes between each video and the other. This is the input over here. Okay, and of course, as I said, we use the ID to reach this tag inside the HTML code. Okay, so I can and also get the value within that field. Okay, and I can click this button over here, generate. Okay, this is the on-click event. So when I click, the calculate function will be run. Okay, inside this, see from /script until script here over here. So this highlighted part, okay, all this, okay, is where like the magic happens, as I say. Okay, and I made another paragraph which is an empty one. I will fill it with the string in red. Okay, so this is a paragraph. Like when I reload the page, it's empty. Okay, but the paragraph is already in red, but it has no text, so that's why the text as long as it's not there, you see only white over here. Okay, but when I just click the generate, you see the line here. Okay, the string. Now when I click, okay, now I get the values as such. Okay, I make a variable called hours. This is the hours ID from the whole document. From this whole document, I get the value that's inside this one here. So this is the reference, is this ID. Okay, similarly with the minutes and the next line, see here. But what I'm doing is, if and also I'm parsing them as integers. This is how we parse them as integers, because when you read them as such here, okay, they are just strings, normal strings, characters. They are not just calculatable or can be calculated numbers. Okay, they are just drawings, if you want to say, about characters, like something that you draw, you can't calculate. Okay, draw on screen. So this is how you transform the string into into a number using this syntax. Okay, you get the variable, put it here, and you save the output into itself again. Okay, I do the same with the minutes. Okay, and if you type, for example, anything over here, any character over here, it will calculate it as a string. Okay, if it's also a mix, okay, it will calculate it always as a 0. Okay, so this is generate string will give you, like, if you want to say every minute, so it will always generate this every minute. Okay. So this is it. Again with the step. Now if the minutes and the hours are both 0, I don't want to go into generating. There's no need for that, and of course it's a 0 video. There's no video. This means that there's no video. Okay, so you have to put at least one of them, one of the hour or the minutes. Okay, if the step is 0, this means that you are not stepping at all. Okay, you're not making offsets. What's the purpose of the app without the steps? Okay, and also if the step is greater than the size of the video, okay, I mean the length of the video, this is how we calculate it in minutes. Okay, the number of minutes plus plus the number of hours times 60. You know, every hour is 60 minutes, so I convert it completely into a number of minutes, then I compare them. Okay, I do the comparison, and if the step, like you wanna jump, like your video is 10 minutes and you wanna jump every 15 minutes, so you wanna put a mark after the end of the video, so it's useless. Okay. You can put the mark at least once. So if it's, for example, the step is like 14 minutes and your video is 15 minutes, so you want to put a video at the very end. Okay, this can happen, it doesn't matter. Now there's one thing with JavaScript. Okay, now this is those are the step hours, this is step minutes. Okay, this way I'm calculating the current hour and the current minute, like, you know, every milestone, if you want to say. Okay, every mark. So this is like you divide, like you start with a 0, and this is the step. Okay, and you start with the step. Okay, because you don't want to start with the 0 hour. You cannot start with the 0 hour. You just start with a step. This is what YouTube allows you to do. Okay, and then you just increment this I with the number of steps that you with the steps. Okay, or the jump. Okay, the jump size. Okay, in minutes. And then here the step hours. Okay, now it should be the current I. Okay, because you know, your time is increasing according to the total minutes, but you want to see what hour are you in, so that's why I divide by 60 the I. Okay, the current time, or the current like if I say where the playing of the video has reached. Okay, so you know, you divide it by 60, and then problem with JavaScript is, like, if you just leave it as such without the floor, it won't give you like integral parts. Okay, it won't give you integers. Okay, complete numbers. It will give you something fractional. Okay, with decimals. So that's why you will have to use the floor just to get the exact hour. Okay, and then this is how you get the left minutes from the current I. Okay, the remaining minutes. Okay, and then you've got here just to use a result string where you top on it up the or we top it up with the step hour and then the step minutes. Now if the I is still less than the total hours, please always add a comment. So this means like you always calculate, let's say if I have 0 hours, 1 minute, and it's 1 minute. Okay, so this is the generated string. So this is one step, okay, in the loop, okay, in the for loop. Okay, so if I have like 2 hours, 2 minutes, okay, and 1 step, this is 2 step, 3 steps, okay, this is, and so on. Okay, so I'm adding always the comma at the end, and the trailing comma that you'll see is it will be neglected by YouTube. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, like you see here, there's always a comma at the end. Consider it as a full stop. That has no meaning. Okay, and then I go to the inner text, which is of the paragraph here, and the inner text is somewhere inside here. Okay, inside this place here where the stars are. So so this where the stars were are gonna be filled, okay, with the generated string here, okay, in red, which is in red, and that's it. Okay, so this is the whole application. Okay, and thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and hope you enjoyed. Okay, bye.